Hi everybody, I am Marty Kutzer and I hope you will enjoy this recording. The purpose is to speak my language just to give you an idea what it really sounds like. Afrikaans is a daughter language of Dutch, but you will notice a very clear difference between the two languages. I would like to recite my favorite poem. It is originally a Spanish poem by Juan Ramón Jiménez. I have no idea how to pronounce his name, but this is how I do it. The poem is translated by one of our famous writers, Uys Krüger. The title of the poem is The Final Journey. In English it goes, "And I will go away, and the birds will stay singing, and my garden will stay with its green tree and white water well. And every afternoon the sky will be blue and peaceful, and the pealing of bells will be like this afternoon's peal of the bell of the high campanile. They will die, all those who loved me, and every year the town will be revived again. And in my circle of green white limed flowering garden, my spirit will dwell nostalgic from tree to well. And I will go away, and I will be lonely without my home, and without my tree with its green foliage, without my white water well, without my blue peaceful sky, and the birds will stay singing." In Afrikaans, it sounds like this. Die finale reis, en ek sal weggaan, en die voëls sal agterbly singende, en my tuin sal agterbly met sy groen boom en sy wit waterput. En elke middag sal die hemel blou wees en vreedsaam, en die klokke sal lui soos hulle vanmiddag lui, die klokke van die hoë kloktoring. Hulle sal sterwe, almal wat my lief gehad het, en die dorp sal elke jaar opnuut herskep word, en in die kring van my groen wit gekalkte bloeiende tuin sal my gees dwaal, vol heimwee, ja, van boom tot put. En ek sal weggaan. Ek sal eensaam wees, sonder my hart en sonder my boom met sy groen lower, sonder my wit waterput, sonder die hemel blou en vreedsaam, en die voëls sal agterbly, singende. I love this poem. I want them to do this on my funeral. I also want to say I love you all in Afrikaans and then also goodbye. But we have two different ways of saying I love you. In love, romance, we say ek het jou lief. In friendship we say ek is lief vir jou. Jou is only one person, while we use the word julle for more than one. So I love you all will be like ek is lief vir julle almal. And goodbye will be totsiens or simply goodbye.